Tattie Scones. Tattie Scones are a Scottish breakfast classic, and the ingredients are here: potatoes, butter, plain flour, pepper and salt. So we start off with boiling the potatoes. What you want is to boil them until they're completely soft, and then you drain off the water and leave them for 2 minutes to allow the steam to escape. Once you've done that, preferably using a potato ricer, you're going to mash the potato. If you don't have a ricer, you can use a masher, but using the ricer definitely gives you a way better consistency. So you go on to rice all of the potatoes that you boiled, and then after this you can start to add the other ingredients. So now that the potatoes have been riced, we're going to go on to add the other bits. So we've got butter, we've got salt and pepper, and then we've also got the flour. And you go on to mix all of this together. And one of the things in here, if you want to break away from the traditional tattie scone, is you can also add chili flakes or something to really ramp up the heat in your tattie scones. So this is something that somebody I know did when I shared this recipe with them. So if you're somebody who loves a bit of a kick to it, then this is something I would recommend. But for me, I just love it with lots and lots of pepper. Once you've done that, you can flour the surface and then be able to roll out the complete tattie scone mix. This is about a quarter of what was in the bowl, and you roll it out till it becomes quite thin, covering the whole board. I think the thickness should be around half a centimetre, but don't really measure it. Once you've done that, you put it on the cast iron pan, which will be really hot. It's completely dry, and you heat it up until it's cooked on one side and flip it over. Once you've cooked it, you should be able to put it back on the surface and cut it into 4, and then you continue this process until you've done this with the whole mix that you had in the bowl. So once you've done this, you should be able to reheat it again for eating straight away, or you can freeze the batch that you've made and use it at a later time. So it makes it really quick and easy and simple. So thank you very much for watching, and keep on searching for Scran.